Morning, everyone. I'm Disha Gaonkar, and my team members are Disha Naik, Harish G M, and Karthik T. So, I'll explain the ER diagram and also the conceptual schema. So, the ER diagram consisting of team, that is table name, or it is also called as entity. So, team, that match, stadium, performance, player, and also auction. These are all the entities, and in the database, that is table name. So it consisting of attributes in it. So team has attribute team ID, team name, and captain. Then the team and player has the relationship that is based for, and the player has the attributes player ID, name, team ID, role, and auction price. Here the in team, the team ID is the primary key, which is unique, and in player, that is player ID is the primary key, which is also unique. Then next comes match. Match and a team has the relationship place. Mm, Match has the attributes, that is team ID, date, match ID, team 2 ID, stadium ID, which the team ID, match ID is the primary key, which is also in unique. Then in between match and stadium, there is the relationship that is held in the stadium. Stadium has the attribute match, stadium ID, stadium name, and also location. Then player and performance, in between the relation is has, that is the performance has the attribute, that is sixes, runs, player ID, match ID, performance ID, and also wickets. So in auction and players, auction, between auction and players, there is the relationship that is participate. The attributes of the auction are auction ID, player ID, and auction price. So it completes the ER diagram. So next, that is logical schema. Here you can see that team. Wait a minute. Team is the table name, and team ID, team name, and captains are the attributes. Here, as usual, team, player, stadium, match, and auction and performance are the table names, and the below are the all are the attributes. Uh, then here the logical schema is about connecting the primary key and the foreign key. So here team table name team has the team ID as primary key, where team ID is also present in the player. So it is connected to the team and player is connected. Then team ID also that present in the match, team ID, team 2 ID. Then in auction team ID, in auction there will also be team ID. In performance, it's not team ID. So then player has the team ID as the primary key, and it is also in the player ID. Player ID is also present in the performance, which is connected, and it is followed as foreign key. So then in stadium, match ID is the primary key, and it is connected to in the table name, that is match. It is also present in the stadium. Sorry, present as stadium ID in the match. Then okay. In auction ID is the primary key. There is no foreign key in any other table names. Then performance ID is the primary key, and as usual as the auction, there is no foreign key as the reference of performance ID. So that's it. The next query explanation will be followed by the Disha Naik. Thank you.
Good morning, I'm Disha, and I'm explaining the first six queries of IPL T20 database. So the first one is highest scoring match in IPL history. Select match ID in bracket team 1 runs plus team 2 runs as total runs from match order by total runs in decreasing order limit 1. So here table name is match and column names are match ID team 1 runs team 2 runs, and match ID is the unique ID of the match, and team 1 run is the runs scored by the team 1, team 2 runs are runs scored by the team 2. So to find the match with the highest total runs scored by the both teams, this is used. And the second one is team with the lowest total score in the match. So select team ID minimum total runs as lowest score from performance group by team ID ordered by lowest score and limit 1. So here table name is performance, column names are team ID and total runs. So team ID is the ID of the team, and runs is runs scored by the team in the match. So to find the team that scored the lowest in any one match, this can be used. Third one is a team losing the most wickets in the single match. So select a team ID, maximum total wickets as most wickets from performance group by team ID ordered by most wickets in decreasing order and limit 1. So here table name is performance, column names are team ID, total wickets. So and team ID is the ID of the team, and the total wicket is the wickets lost by the team. So to find the team that lost the most wickets in a single match, this can be used. Fourth one is team with most wins at the stadium. So select a winner team ID, count star as wins from match where stadium ID is given, group by winner team ID, order by wins in decreasing order and limit 1. So your table name is match, column names are winner team ID and stadium ID. So winner team ID is the ID of the team that won in the match, and stadium ID is the stadium where the match is played. So to find the team that has won the most matches in this stadium, this query can be used. Fifth one is team with the best win percentage across all seasons. So select a team ID in bracket some case when team ID equals to winner team ID, then one else zero and star 100 count star as win percentage from select team 1 id as team id winner team id from match union all, select team id winner team id from match as all matches group by team id order by win percentage in decreasing order limit 1. So here the entity performance across all seasons, the table name is match, column names are team id 1 team id 2 and winner team id. So team one ID and here team one ID and team two IDs are the two IDs of the team, and winner team ID is the team that won the match. So it combines all the matches with both the team one and team two particularly uh, as participant, and calculating the win percentage. To calculate win percentage, we use win divided by total match into 100. So and it finds the team with the highest win percentage. So to find the team which has the highest win percentage, we use this query. And sixth one is player with the most sixes in the IPL history. So select player ID some in bracket sixes as total sixes from performance group by player ID order by total sixes in decreasing order limit 1. So the entity is player performance, table name is performance, and column names are your group by order 6. column names are player ID and sixes. So player ID is the player ID is nothing but ID of the player, and sixes is the number of six hit by the particular person in the uh, uh, particular person in the match. So to find the player who has hit the most sixes in IPL history, we use this query. So next will be continued by Karthik. Thank you.
Myself, Karthik T. I am explain queries. Seventh query. Player with most runs in season 2024. Select the player ID. Some runs as season runs from performance. Join match on performance. Match ID equals match ID. Where season year equal to 2024. Group by player ID. Order by season runs. DESC limit one. Next, eighth one. Player with the most runs, most wickets in IPL history. Select the player ID some wickets as total wickets from performance group by player ID. Order by total wickets DEST limit one. Next, ninth one. Bowler with the best bowler figure most wickets in match. Select the player ID max wickets. Next, ninth query. Bowler with the best bowling figure most wickets in match. Select a player ID max wickets as best figure from performance group by player ID order by best figure descending order limit one. Next, 10th one. Batsman with highest strike rate in season 2024. Select the player ID average strike rate as average strike rate from performance. Join match on performance match ID equal to match ID where season year equal to 2025 group by player ID order by average strike rate descending order limit one. Next, 7th one. Stadium hosting most IPL matches. Select the stadium ID count match ID as matches hosted from matches group by match stadium ID order by matches hosted descending order limit one. Next, 12th. Stadium with most 200 plus scores. Select the stadium ID counts. Select count star as highest scoring matches from match where team 1 runs greater than or equal to 200 or team 2 greater team 2 runs greater than or equal to group by stadium with most 200 plus scores. Select the stadium ID count star as highest scoring matches from match where team 1 runs greater than or equal to 200 or team 2 runs greater than or equal to 200. Group by stadium ID order by highest scoring matches descending order limit 1. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Harish. So I am going to explain the queries. The first query is average first inning score at Wankhede Stadium. Select stadium ID, average team 1 scores as average first inning scores. So we have to select the data from the stadium 1 ID column and average team 1 runs. So we must do the average of the team 1 runs as the new column will be renamed as first inning score, average first inning score. It will be new column which has been renamed from the match. It is the table where stadium ID is ST001 is the where is the condition from stadium ID ST001 and the group by stadium ID. The retrieved data will be shown as stadium ID 1 and all the data will be grouped in last. So the next query is team with best record at Wankhede Stadium. Select team ID count as wins. So the column name is winner team ID. It will select and count as wins. Count means it is the aggregate function which will count all the wins as the new column will be renamed as wins. and the data will be stored in wins. From the match, it is the table name where stadium ID is ST001. Same, it is the condition which is now stadium ID 1 is the condition. Grouped by winner team ID, the all data will be grouped order by wins DSE. So all the wins means it is the new column name which will be ordered from the decreasing order, and the limit one is the data which will be shown. And next query, player with the highest prize in season 2024. Select player ID, max auction price as highest price. So player ID is the new column name, max is the aggregate function of the auction price, as it will be stored in the highest price. From auction is the table name where season year is equal to 2024. It is the condition. Group by player ID. The player ID will be grouped and order by highest price DSC. The highest price is new column name, and it will be ordered in decreasing order. And limit one will be shown the first 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 number. Retaining most players from season 2023. Select team ID, count player ID as retained players. Select team ID. Team ID is the column name which we will be select the data from it. Count player ID. Count is the aggregate function. From the player ID we must select, and it will be new. The new column will be renamed as retained players, and the data will be stored in it. From auction. Auction is the table name where season is equal to 2023 and retained is equal to true. So the condition is season 2023. And group team ID. Group means we will group the all the players name from the team ID. Order by retained players from the decreasing order. Order retained players means the new column name will be retained ordered from decreasing order, highest to lowest. It will be data will be retrieved. And the next is player changing teams most times of over IPL. Select player ID, count distinct team ID as team changed. So the column name is player ID. The data will be selected from player ID. Count is the aggregate function. Distinct count will be from team ID as team changed. The new column renamed as team changed. From auction. Auction is the table name. Group by player ID. The player names will be grouped from group ID table. Ordered by a team changed DESC. So team changed players which have been team changed will appear from highest to lowest ones. So now the next one is team spending most in auctions 2024, 2020 to 2024. Select player ID, sum auction player as total spent from auction table. Select player ID. Player ID is the new column name. Sum is the aggregate function. From we will sum from auction player, as the data which is being summed, it will be stored in the new column named as total spent from auction table. Auction table is the new it is the table name where season year between 2020 and 2024. So the condition is 2020 to 2024, and all the players name will be grouped and order by total spent DESC. So we can see from 2024 to 2025 all the players name will be retrieved, and by using limit one we can see that players name. Thank you.
Disha, and I'm here to explain the further queries of IPL database. That is, first one is team losing most matches in IPL history. The select team ID. Team ID is the column name. Count star. Star is used for counting all the tuples in the column name. Next is as losses, which is used to rename it from select team ID as team ID. As team ID is same as to rename it, and winner team ID from match union all select team 2 ID, winner team ID from match as usual. All matches will be used for renaming the same conditions. Next is where team ID not equal to winner team ID. This is the condition where keyword is used. So team ID is not equal to winner team ID. Group by team ID. It groups the team ID. Order by loses. It will be ordered in the descending order, and the limit one is used for. It will only show the first one output. It will only show the one output that is in the top of the uh, retrieved query. Next is bowler bowling most dot balls in IPL history. Select player ID. Player ID is as column name. Sum dot balls. It sums the dot balls as it is to rename the condition, that is total dot balls. Next, from performance. Performance is the table name. Group by player ID. It groups the player ID. Player ID is the column name. Then order by total dot balls, which is as before we have renamed it. That is that will be in the descending order, and limit one is to the output will be the first only retrieved query. Next is player playing most IPL matches. Select player ID. Player ID is the column name. Count is the aggregate function. Distinct is the unique. It will select only the unique match ID. As matches played is as to rename the condition. From performance. Performance is the table name. Group by player ID. Group by it groups the player ID. Then order by matches played. It will be in the descending order. Limit one is as usual. The output will be only the first query which is retrieved. So next is captain with highest win percentage. Uh, Select captain ID. Captain ID is the column name. It the count is the aggregate function, and here inside the case is applied. That is when captain ID equal to winner captain ID, which is the table column name. Then one in end into 100.0 divided by count, which is in the first, that is count star. It will as counts the all the tuples as win percentage will be renaming. From match is the table name. Group by it groups the captain ID. Then order by captain ID, it orders the captain ID. Limit one will be used for only the first query which is retrieved, which will be as shown in the output. Then the last query is auction price trend for Virat Kohli. Select season year auction price. It will select the season year and auction price. Both are the column names. From auction. Auction is the table name. Where player ID is the column name. Where it is equal to P001 is the value or the data in the column name. Order by, and it will order the season year. This season year is already selected. So the return query is as below. Thank you.